Hello everyone and welcome to the Dragon Code. In this video I will analyze Martingale roulette strategy on European roulette with Python programming language in Visual Studio Code. I am not going to explain roulette rules and Martingale strategy because this video is not about that. If you don't know that but you are interested in it, you can search it on internet. Let's move in Visual Studio Code. I will add one Python file and I will name it Martingale. I will declare variable games number, which will have value of 2000, so I will play 2000 games. I also need variable for money, and I will assign value of 10,000. So when I start playing roulette, I will have 10,000 euros. Although you can say any other currency doesn't matter here. And I will also have variable for bet, which will initially be 1. Then I need variable game over, which will initially be false, list of money, where I will store money after each game. With this list I can track flow of money after each game. And then I will declare bettings list where I will store bettings options. Because it is Martingale strategy, I will only play 50-50 bets. There are 6 50-50 bets. It is black, red, big, small, even, and odd. Now I need to check do you win game or not. So I will create new Python file. I will name it roulette functions. I need list of red numbers and I will paste here all red numbers. Then I need list of black numbers. I will also paste black numbers and then I will define function isWin, which will take two input parameters, bet and number. So if bet is black and if number is in black numbers, return true, else return false. If bet is red, I will copy this code if it is red, and if number is in red numbers, it is true, else it is false. This is for color bettings. Now I will copy this code 2 times for other 4 bettings. So when bet is big and number is greater than 18 and number is less than 37, it is true, else it is false. When bet is small and when number is greater than 0 and number is less than 19, it is true, else it is false. When bet is odd and when number modulus 2 is equal to 1, then it is true, else it is false. And when bet is even and if number modulus 2 is equal to 0 and number is different from 0, then it is true, else it is false. Now I will go back to Martingale file and I will import roulette functions module and I will also import random for generating random number. Now I can play roulette. I will write for loop I in range of games number. In variable result, I will store result of game. It is number in range from 0 to 37, so it is number between 0 and 36. 37 is not included. Then I need betting index. I will choose it to be 0. And then I need variable user bet, which is element in list bettings, and I will here pass betting index. In each game I need to subtract money with bet. But before that I need to check if money minus bet is greater than 0. If it's not, then you cannot continue martingale strategy. For example, in case you have 2000 euros but you need to bet with 8,000 euros. So 2000 minus 8,000 euros is minus 6,000 euros. So game is over. You cannot continue martingale strategy. So I need to check that. So if money minus bet is less than 0, I need if game over variable is set to true, I will print game over and I will break loop. I would add alias rf and here now I will check if you win or not. So if rf is win, I will pass user bet and result. If it is win, then I will add to money bet times 2 and I will reset bet to 1. And if it is not win, then I will just multiply bet with 2. And after that, I will store money in money list after each game to track flow of money. And now after that, I will print message after all games are done. So here, if game over is true, I will print not enough money to continue martingale strategy. And if game over is false, else I will print your profit is 10,000 minus, it's actually money minus 10,000. I made mistake. Here I should not write range, instead I should write random range. Now it will generate random number between 0 and 36. And now I will run this code. 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 And now I will And as you can see, my profit is 984. I will run this code again. Now my profit is 967. Now I will store this list of money in Excel file. For that I will use module pandas std, and now I need variable dictionary. I will name Excel file money martingale, and I will pass list money. Then I need data frame. It is panda data frame, and I will pass dictionary. Then I will use that data frame variable to CSV, and I will name it Martingale CSV. And now when I run this code, list money will be stored in Martingale CSV file. So let's do that. So my profit is 987 and Martingale CSV file is generated. I opened that CSV file in Excel and now I can draw graph. I will select A and B columns and I will go in Insert and select this 2D line graph. I will stretch it. And here you can see flow of money. Here I have biggest losing streak, but with one win I retrieved all lost money. Let's move back in VS Code. So Martingale strategy looks safe when you play 2000 games with 10,000 euros, because each time I run program I won almost 1000 euros. But to check is it really safe, I need to either decrease money or increase games number. So I will increase games number. Now it will be 5000 games. Now I will run this code with 5000 games. I have error because I trying to create another Martingale CSV file, but it already exists. So I will comment this. I will clear and I will run this code again. I also won. Now my profit is 2408. Let's run this code again. And now game is over. Not enough money to continue martingale strategies. Let's run this code several more times. I profit. I profit again. Now I lose. I again lose. So conclusion is that martingale strategy is not 100% safe. Chances of losing are low, but more you play, you increase chances to lose. This is all for this video. If you like this video and want more videos like this, press like button and subscribe, and see you next time.